Okay, so mid-pack madness in the Mazda at Summit Point. Looking forward to this. This should be a good race. Let's see how we get on.
Green, green, green.
Okay, we're not dead yet. Let's see. It's a very fun track, I have to say. I don't know whether I want to be on the inside or the outside. Hard to say which is safest, really.
Car ride. Still
Probably there's nowhere safe on a track full of Mazdas, is there? But anyway, we'll go around the outside.
Stay on the left.
See how that works for us.
Keep to the left.
I can feel somebody there.
Clear on the right.
Wasn't really room there, mate. But anyway, he's going. Had to ease off. It's a bit of a shame.
Car ride. Clear.
Still have the inside for this turn.
Clear on the right. Right
Although
side.
he's got the inside for the next turn, so... Okay, that didn't work, did it? Okay, bit of a bump. Still going. It was all quite tight, I think, in qualifying, so... Should be quite an interesting race. Somebody nearly went there. So it'll be a bit slipstreaming on the straight. We're near the back. How did that happen? I know we started mid-pack, but I thought I'd be a bit further up than this. Lost a few places, I think, at the start. Let's see if we can get them back. It is a fun track-car combination. I do enjoy this one.
33.71.
I'm definitely a Mazda convert. Didn't used to like it, but I do now.
Left side. Stay on the right.
Well, I'm there.
On the left.
It's turning in anyway, though.
Left side.
This is not working, is it? I've got someone on my inside. What's going on here?
Still there. 10 minutes to go. Clear on the
Well,
left.
I'm really not... Oh, I'm going to get mullered by this bloody red car now. What's going on? I thought I had a bit of pace on this track, but obviously not. I thought I was okay, but clearly I'm slow. Okay, it's a short race, so we haven't got long to sort this out, really. Somebody's off. Are they?
Go right.
Yeah, they're definitely off. And someone got slowed just at the wrong point for us. That's not helped.
Left side. Keep to the right.
Well, not sure what we're going to do here.
23.
Box this guy in, I guess, so he can't go anywhere.
To the right. Still there.
We've got someone behind him as well.
Clear on the left. Left side. Clear on the left.
Okay, well that worked a little bit for us, although we've dropped back a bit. 7th, I think that's where we started, wasn't it? Gosh, and we've lost out to those ahead. Somebody going wide there. Oh, we're still alive. There was definitely a lot of bumping and boring at the start, and we didn't come off very well, did we? You're doing a little bit better now. Can't afford to get your rear tyre on the grass there, it just sends you around, so I have to be careful. Decent run through there. And we get past Ivan. Not sure.
21.434.
Oh, we picked up some pace anyway.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 20.886.
It's an interesting line from number 6, isn't it? It's like rallycross, trying to throw the rear end out. Okay, don't really want to get stuck here. Also don't want to battle and cost us both time, and then we've got the guys behind catching, haven't we? So need to be sensible here. my moment. Maybe get him onto the straight. If I can get close enough. Yeah, better run than him out of there. So we'll take that.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 20.702. Stay on the right. Stay on the right. 21.256. That was your fastest lap of the session. Clear.
Okay, he's trying an up and under. That's not going to work. He tried it though, didn't he? Nice Valentino Rossi colours though. Obviously a bike fan. Well, a Rossi fan at least. We'll watch number 6 next time round to see what he does on that first corner, because it was an interesting line he had. We're getting away a little bit, aren't we? Just calm down a bit, which is good. I needed that. Don't think we got enough this lap. It'll be a bit of a dive from here.
5 minutes to go.
Okay, 5 minutes to go. We're 5th.
2, 4. That was your fastest lap of the session. You're in 5th.
Yeah, it's an interesting line, isn't it? Wonder if it is quicker. Guy behind closed up a little bit, didn't he, Ivan? Decent run through there.
Slow car ahead.
Someone's been off then. All back together, aren't we? Put some pressure on number 6 if we can. So we're all going to be together here. Lead is gone, but everyone else is together. Guy behind's had a bad corner there. Blimey. Don't know what he was doing. We're going to go past, I think.
20.863. Car right. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.6 seconds. Still there. Keep to the left. 21.303. Still
Yeah, I
there.
can't turn in because he's there.
Clear.
So I need to go to the inside, really. He knows I'm here, doesn't he?
Car on your left. Still there. Hold your line. Keep to the right. Clear. Left side. Clear
Well,
on the left. Left
that was
side.
interesting.
Clear on the left.
Do you think he did that deliberately? Just got him away? Anyway. He didn't give me room. I was up his inside. He didn't give me room. We'll check the replay, but I think he should have given me the room.
It might slow you down on the straight.
Well, let's see if we can get back past. Wasn't giving it up, was he? I know it's a difficult place to go by there, but I wasn't trying to get by. I was just trying to get alongside to make him
Behind is closing on you. The gap is 5.
make a mistake, which he did. Just unfortunately, it took me out as well. So
the gap is 1.7.
let's see if we can close in on him. Okay, not long to go. A couple of laps probably.
5, 9, 2. There's an incident
What
ahead.
the fuck,
You
man?
got a slow car on the left. Slow car ahead. Go right. Slow car ahead. Go right.
What are those two doing? Well, that's made a difference, hasn't it?
Man, what the fuck are you doing?
So what's he doing then? Is he going to block me? What's he trying to do? Okay, we might get back past. You never know. We've got more pace than him, haven't we? So we need to go out the inside this time, don't we? So we make our intentions clear early on.
White flag this time.
White flag this time. I suspect he's not going to like being overtaken.
24.384. Right side. Stay on the left. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Okay. Okay. This is going to be a tough move, I think. He's not going to like it.
Right side. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Nah.
There's an incident behind.
Well, where are we going to go then? Because it's not looking likely, is it? Bugger. It's not working. What are the chances we can sneak up the inside on this last corner? Probably not. That's probably a bit ambitious. Okay, no, probably not.
What the fuck?
Although he's very slow through there, isn't he?
Right side.
Oh!
You got a slow car on the right. You're on the left. 3 wide.
Did we beat him? I don't know. I don't think so.
It's over.
I don't think so. Good race, though.
Nice run. Solid work.
Let's have a look at those replays. Okay, then. So that's the start. What's happening then? So issues behind. So... yeah, just a little bit of bumping and boring, I guess. Not too bad, was it, at the start? That all seemed to go all right. Here's me with this guy ahead of us. Did I touch him? I think I touched him a tiny bit, look. He was a bit slow into there. Oh, this is the car that went off. Yeah, he tried very hard, didn't he? But couldn't quite hold it, unfortunately for him. And what have we got? Oh, yeah, that's a common crash. Yeah, it's all gone black. So what happened here then? Yeah, I mean, again, in the cockpit it looks a lot worse. But I guess that was just a racing incident. We'll have another look at that. Oh dear, just got it completely wrong. Got it completely wrong. Yeah, that was all the shouting, and then he hit him, and then we go by. Unlucky. Yeah, unlucky. Oh dear. Oh dear. That was not very nice. And that was it. Well, we'll have another look at that incident with me just to see what happened. So we'll look at the other direction. So I'm up his inside. I mean, let's have another look. I'm coming up his inside. So we're turning in. He's crossed the white line. He's narrowing the corner, isn't he? Look, I've got nowhere to go. I'm already there. Yeah. I mean, I don't know where he thought I could go. I mean, I haven't got a wheel in front. I'm not overtaking him. I'm just placing myself so I can get alongside. And yeah, I've got no... He could have given me much more space than that, I think. But I'm sure you viewers will have a view. Yeah, I'll take on board any feedback. But I think that was legitimate. I should have been able to run alongside him there. And he just turned in a bit too much. Anyway, I think just by way of contrast, this was when I was trying to get by and I gave him, I mean, look how much space I gave him. I always try and give space. I guess I could have just turned in, but, you know, just shows a bit of contrast to our approaches, I guess, to being challenged. You know, I'm actually a car ahead, but I could see him there. I gave him the space. I didn't just turn in. I think that was the... that's what I'd hoped he was going to do, but didn't happen. Anyway. So, results then. That was the 6th split out of 8. Oh, 24, blimey. A lot of splits. I lost some safety rating gains. My rating, would you believe? Best out of 120.7. I think I managed to 21.1. Yeah, could have gone a bit quicker, I think. But yeah, good race. Enjoyed it. Joe, sorry we came together, but we had a good race. I think I could have gone alongside, but, you know, that's racing, isn't it? Anyway. Hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. If you did, then stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.